Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily transform your F-150's interior trim in under 5 minutes using this awesome aftermarket trim from Chero Car. So let's get started. All right, let's get these out of the box. This kit includes vent covers, and I also got the center portion trim of the steering wheel. These are made from a high quality ABS material. These are protected with 3 layers of high quality UV and scratch resistant polyurethane. And installation is a peel and stick. Now let's head over to the truck. We'll get these installed and I'll show you how they look when they're in place. Alright, so we're inside the F-150. Go ahead and show you guys how to get this trim installed. The first step you want to do is check the fit. Make sure you have the right piece for the right section. Then you want to take a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol and clean that area really good wherever the tape's going to be attached. You're going to make sure you get all the grease and other debris off of there so that tape can adhere a lot better and you won't have any problems with it down the road. The next step, if you're going to be applying this in cooler temperatures like I am today, you're going to want to take a heat gun or a hair dryer, work just fine, and gently warm up that area before applying your trim. Make sure you don't get that too hot because you could have the chance of melting that, but we just want to warm it up a little bit for better adhesion. If your trim is cold, you can also heat the tape slightly before applying. The next step you want to do is just remove the backing off of your tape. Alright, we have all the backing removed off of our trim. Now is the most important step, applying your trim piece. Make sure you have this lined up where you want it before you touch your other material, or it's going to be stuck and you won't be able to move it afterwards. Once you're happy with where it is, press it down firmly. And you want to continue to press it for roughly 1 minute to get best results. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up with the other pieces and we'll be right back and I'll show you how it looks. I do want to also mention that these trims come in different styles and colors as well, so if you guys want to check them out. One thing I do want to mention when putting on this trim piece around your steering wheel here, it's best to get it tucked up underneath this little lip right here by your horn and airbag first, and then press everything else down firmly. You still have full access and movement of all your vents, as well as your auxiliary outlet here. One more thing I should mention when installing your trim here, do your top vent piece first, and then do the bottom trim piece that goes down to your footstep here. And the reason for that is that way you can get this lined up nice, and then you can get this seam here butted up and make it look more professional. I just want to show you guys the fit up close here. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. With this trim, you too can upgrade your truck's interior trim in just under 5 minutes. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.